Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ad. My major is Nautica level 1. I will explain about tanker. Number 1, rule I. The feature to carrying the disconnect by of the ship by carrying the discurrent of the liquid follow request in I charging the disconnect of the ship. Number 2, tank heating to color the temperature of the cargo according to request, generally unsealing water media. Number 3 color them employ tank to sharpness double bottom tanks contain 30 liquids. Number 4, ventilation paper. Number 5, horses kernel. Number 6, middle fold to connect the horse or loading army butter the land and the ship. When unloading is connected by unsealing I reduce. Number 7, transference. Horizontal cross deck horizontal bulkhead in the ship. Number 8, double button tank. Number 9, force the building in front of the ship. Number 10, tap-top. That's what I expect about in the tanker. I thank you. I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.